Once Chief Javaro Sims was sworn in as the Delray Beach Police Department's first Black police chief, he made it an effort to work with outside programs such as the ones we provide.
I listen to the people in the community, what they want, what they perceive law enforcement to be, what our roles would be within the communities as well, was very important with a lot of initiatives that I decided to move forward with.
Outside of crime, homelessness is an issue in Delray Beach, and many times it's associated with drug addiction and mental illness.
That's when I put together a community outreach team that consists of a mental health practitioner, an addictional practitioner, along with an intern and CIT certified police officers, where they go out and meet those individuals where they are in the community. We had officers responding to overdoses at an alarming rate and watching people expire right before their eyes. These are young officers seeing kids their age expiring and right before their eyes.
The community outreach team works side by side with us, and together we help those battling mental illness, homelessness, and addiction.
What happened was our homeless individuals who were on the street also were a result of the opioid epidemic. They did not have any connection to anything. They may have overdosed a few times, and they're homeless on our streets, and they needed a connection to a program. The healthcare district created a program called the Addiction Stabilization Unit, which was really a stabilization unit at JFK North to provide stabilization to anyone who had overdosed on opioids. So what I had requested is if they can send some representative from the healthcare district Addiction Stabilization Unit down to Delray and outreach our population.
One of the services provided are these shower trucks.
So it's a place where someone can come on Tuesdays and Fridays and they will get a nice, warm, hot shower. They will get new clothing and towel, and they have 15 minutes of a nice hot shower. And pretty much the reason behind the showers was, yes, everybody feels great when they're showered.
Our recovery coaches come to the shower trucks to talk to people who may need services for recovery.
I grew up in foster care. My mom was actually an addict. She was addicted to crack cocaine for like 40-something years, and I seen her change. I decided I wanted to help people. I got a heart for it, and I like giving back. It took for somebody to help me to get to where I'm at today, and everybody just need a push.
Our medical assistant treatment program, known as MAT, stabilizes people who are overcoming drug addiction. Ingrid Bartlett has been working with Ariana Ciancio since this program started. She says the clients get the psychiatric care they need for proper recovery.
And we do have right now 2 locations. One is in Mangonia Park, which is strategically located with JFK ER Stabilization Unit, and then Lewis Center, which is our follow-up. So we have lots of people in the clinic to help patient in needs, and we do cooperate with outreach and with the outside services to connect patients with the care. It's very important that patients receive their medication because it's very hard to get well without the medication, especially with the drugs on the street right now. But the important part of the treatment is the therapy, which we do provide.
Ariana says without the support and help from Chief Sims, none of this will be possible. The Delray Beach Police Department is the only police agency in the county with a community outreach team with this mission.
They're giving us the freedom to make change out on the streets.
Chief Sims made it his duty to serve his community, including those underserved.
If you want to make change or be part of the change, get involved in the change. And that happens internally.
He grew up in South Palm Beach County and understands firsthand about making change internally.
My mom was a recreation director for the city of Boynton Beach, and my father was self-employed. He was a barber. He owned a barber shop and a beauty salon in the city of Boynton for 60 years, actually.
He was also a well-rounded athlete, which taught him hard work, discipline, and teamwork.
I received a full athletic scholarship to go to college. I got the opportunity to run and qualify for Olympic trials in 1980 and 84. With that being said, I also got opportunity to play briefly in the CFL, Canadian League Football, for a couple of years prior to getting injured.
After being a school teacher for 4 years, he wanted to find a new career that would still allow him to be impactful in the community.
Our community outreach team, like I said, have paid huge dividends, not only for this agency, but also for our community. It's helping a population of people, and in a large respect has been somewhat forgotten or dismissed. And notwithstanding, these people are part of our community too. They are part of our community. Whether you like it or not, they're part of our community. And they deserve the level of services that we're providing, if not more. If not more. It's about being compassionate for people and people in general, regardless of their status in life. It's about helping people. And that's what that community outreach team does. It helps people.
If you or somebody you know are struggling with addiction or mental illness, please call us at 561-370-1349.